We are glad to welcome you on a Hard Reset YouTube channel, and today I'll show how you can transcribe the voice messages on Samsung Galaxy S24, S24 Plus phones. So to start, let's find and launch the voice recorder app. Now let's create a test recording that we will, in result, transcribe. Good morning, my name is Robert. I work as a truck driver, and this is the test voice recording that I will transcribe later in this video. So the voice memo has been created successfully. Now, in order to transcribe it, you can either select it and select the transcribe option here, or you can just open the voice recording settings and editing page and tap at the transcribe option here. Now select what language you would like to transcribe your voice memo into, and then do that. So I guess that will be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.